Hi there. In order to perform the experiments that we discussed with LEDs in the last session, here is my tinkercad. If you have the hardware of Arduino, LEDs, resistor and breadboard, very well perform it onto the breadboard itself. If not, you can just create a new circuit in tinkercad. We have just discussed before also, tinkercad is a software for 3D modeling, and the Autodesk circuits is also integrated within, where you can perform the simulations with Arduino. So just go to circuits and create new circuit over here. And here, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need an Arduino and the LEDs as well as resistors. So let us find Arduino. It's there. The response of the tinkercad would be a little slower, so just be patient with it. Then you're gonna need breadboard. This is the regular breadboard that we discussed about. Onto this breadboard, you can connect any number of devices or any number of resistors, capacitors or anything. This is the Arduino board. I'll just delete it. First, I'll connect all the LEDs and resistors. So LED, let's take LEDs. So these are the LEDs. I want cathodes of all 8 LEDs common. So I'll just do that. This is an LED, then I'll copy it, paste it, 3, then 4. I have copied it and Control V, I'm pasting it. Just connect them all together. Then what I want is resistor. So number of resistors should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the points of anodes of the resistors should come to their respective resistors like this. I'm sure I'm not making the most beautiful of the connections, but it should do our job. So in your spare time, do them properly so that they look good for you. And also you can change the color of the wire to differentiate it a bit. Now once that's done, what I want is Arduino board. So this is Arduino, and now just make the connections. So I'll connect pin number, what I have, my connection starts from pin number 2. So pin number 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, let's change the color to something else, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then this ground should get connected to this point over here. That's the common. So the code is ready, the circuit is ready. Let's see how it works. So I'll just go into the code tab. Out of the blocks, I'll just choose text, and in the text code we'll just type it all here, and then let's see how it looks like. Start simulation. All of them are on, off, on, off. Can you see them? On, off. Now the brightness seems a bit less because the resistors, each of the resistor is a 1K resistor we have chosen, and there is no facility to change the resistors value. So instead, you can directly choose something like 330 ohm. Actually, yeah, there is a place to change its value before placing or just after placing it. Yeah. So that's it. You can perform many such experiments with Arduino onto this schematic, perform this kind of simulation model, and then see for the projects. If you want, you can change the delay and see the output immediately. So instead of 1000, I'll make it 500. Remember, smaller delays won't appear to be that quick in the simulation space, but larger delays will be okay to see. So 500 millisecond on, off. That's how. So perform this experiment and see for the output. Thanks for watching this video.